Ever wondered how much power can be packed into a compact smartphone? Well, meet the iPhone 13 mini. This device is a testament to the saying that dynamite comes in small packages. It's sleek, compact, and sports a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR that's a feast for the eyes. And with a color range that's as diverse as your style, there's an iPhone 13 mini for everyone. The iPhone 13 mini proves that great things do come in small packages. What makes the iPhone 13 mini a performance beast? Well, it's all about what's under the hood. This compact dynamo is powered by Apple's A15 Bionic chip, a powerhouse of speed and efficiency. It's what gives the iPhone 13 mini its zip, allowing for seamless multitasking, immersive gaming, and peak productivity. But that's not all. The A15's neural engine brings advanced machine learning to the table, paving the way for an enhanced user experience. Now, let's talk camera. The iPhone 13 mini comes equipped with a dual camera system. It boasts a 12-megapixel wide and ultra-wide lens, giving you the ability to capture stunning imagery in a variety of lighting conditions. But the innovation doesn't stop there. With advanced photography features like night mode, deep fusion, and Smart HDR 4, you can achieve professional quality results every time. With the iPhone 13 mini, you get powerful performance and exceptional photography in the palm of your hand. What else does the iPhone 13 mini have to offer? Let's dive into the improved battery life. This compact powerhouse is designed for all-day usage on a single charge. You heard it right, a mini that doesn't compromise on power. Plus, it supports fast and wireless charging for when you need a quick power boost. Moving on to the operating system, the iPhone 13 mini runs on the latest iOS 15. It's packed with new features and enhancements, offering a seamless user experience. From updates to FaceTime and messages, to the new focus mode and enhanced privacy features, iOS 15 takes productivity and security to a whole new level. And let's not forget connectivity. The iPhone 13 mini is 5G ready, ensuring fast download and streaming speeds. Moreover, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, you can expect seamless wireless connectivity. In a nutshell, the iPhone 13 mini ensures you stay connected and productive throughout the day. How much can you store on the iPhone 13 mini? Well, it comes in a variety of storage capacities to suit your needs, from photos and videos to apps and more. This compact powerhouse packs a punch with its A15 Bionic chip, delivering top-notch performance. It's equipped with advanced features, including a dual camera system and the latest iOS. And with improved battery life, you can enjoy all these features longer. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, the iPhone 13 mini offers a premium smartphone experience that fits in your pocket.